So the question given is hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution to form alkyl bromide, which by Wolff's reaction is converted to gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon atoms. You have to find the product A. So here we have CH4 in the presence of Br2 and HV. We get CH3Br, which further processes under Na or dry ether. Now this is Wolff's reaction. So the compound process after undergoes Wolff's reaction is CH3 and CH3. Hence, the correct answer will be option number 4.